How to connect Spotify to Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can connect Spotify to Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now connecting Spotify to Discord is fairly simple. First of all, open up the Discord app, come to the profile page, then just tap the gear icon from the top right to come to settings. Go to the connections tab of Discord app and make sure you've added Spotify over here. If you haven't added, tap the add button here and then just search for Spotify and then log into your Spotify account and make sure you turn on both of these toggles over here. Once you have done that, now we're going to head over to the Spotify app once more. Then make sure this is the correct account that you linked inside your Discord. Then tap the profile icon and go to settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, just keep scrolling until you look for one of the options that says device broadcast status, which says allow other apps on your device to see what you're listening to. Just turn this on. Now after you turn this on, next time whenever you play a certain song on Spotify, it will actually show up inside your Discord activity section where it says now playing. Now in my case, you can see it says listening to Spotify because I'm listening to that particular song on Spotify on my Discord app. This way you should be able to connect Spotify to Discord. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.